Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken in dress to impress, only way. Start by trimming and patting the chicken dry, then season evenly inside and out. Next, arrange aromatics like lemon, garlic, and thyme inside the cavity and under the skin for deep flavor. Truss the bird neatly so it holds its dress shape while roasting to a golden, glossy finish and juicy texture throughout. Begin by softening 3 tablespoons butter and mixing in lemon zest, fresh thyme, and a pinch of pepper. Gently lift the skin and spread the herbed butter between skin and breast for direct flavor infusion. Place aromatics like garlic, lemon halves, and rosemary inside the cavity to steam from within as the bird roasts. Pat the outside dry, then brush with a light glaze for an even, golden crust and show-stopping presentation. Start high heat to sear and crisp the skin, then lower the oven to cook gently to 165 degrees F internal temperature. Use a reliable probe thermometer to check the thickest part of the thigh without touching bone. Once out, let the bird rest uncovered for about 15 minutes so juices redistribute and the dressing keeps its shape. Carve with care, slice against the grain, and plate to highlight the elegant, dressed presentation and juicy meat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.